All right, guys, a new Ducky. Officially unveiled, cut 35 Outlaw 3s. Looks huge. Custom WildBoar Floorboards. 520. All the right stuff. I'm gonna let Pete tell you a little bit more about it. Pete, let's do wheel tire setup and then walk us through the suspension stuff.
All right, so it's a set of 3520 Outlaw 3s. Recently got them cut by Russ Flowers up in Georgia. He used to be SP Performance Grooving. I don't know if he does that anymore. But and then to run them, I have a set of 2-inch adapters with 12mm studs, just to give it a little more strength so you don't lose a wheel.
Yeah,
like all us Honda boys do every once in a while. And then suspension, I put front Highlifter arms on the front, and then recently put on some Highlifter HD shocks. Got those powder coated to match.
They look so good.
That, and then some HD tie rods from Gauge. I always botch the kid's last name. Kicklighter.
Yeah, I think it's Kicklighter.
Time joint tie rods.
Are they quiet?
They're pretty quiet. I put WD-40 on them like
I need to see. I haven't done
every once in a while. Yeah.
Mine are loud and squeaky.
Once you're moving, it turns well, but like at a stop, you're not turning this thing very well. And then rear, we have the HoffFab Raked arched arms along with the Highlifter shocks in the rear.
King Cobras, I see.
Yep, Kings.
I tell you what, like I know they're strong, but they don't look as beefy as you would think.
I mean, comparing to a stock axle, you see the cups are massive.
Oh yeah.
The cups are huge, but
that's probably.
And then along with those, I put a Kaos off-road diff brace on.
Yeah.
I still got to put Corey's on the front. I haven't had time to do that yet. I don't like working in the dark too much, so.
No, it sucks. Trust me. I've been doing it on Defender every night.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, wheels, tires, the WildBoar floorboards. I know you had to custom mod those.
Yeah. Usually, I mean, they come out usually about what, maybe like 2-3 more inches.
Yeah.
I mean, you can see where the WildBoar ends, and
just barely.
I didn't take previous pictures,
does your foot fit still good in there?
They fit well, yeah. I'm a size 10. Chris Hall, who tuned it, had a hard time, but I mean, the guy's massive, so
yeah, he's a big
fitting
guy.
your foot in there is kind of a pain, but I mean, for me, it works. Full turning, lock to lock, no issues. I mean, if it's compressed, it rubs a little bit, as you can see on the bottom where the rust is, but
yeah,
it just grazes it.
You still got the extreme breast pads I had on there?
Yeah, in the fronts.
Okay.
I took the rear brake off just because there was a lot going on over here. I had the left-hand throttle, so I just took that whole handle off, and I zip tied the reverse, so it just goes right into reverse now.
Yeah. The old Reds, Casey Parrott, Relocate, fresh 2-inch Snorkel.
Yeah, from you.
Yeah.
3,500-pound winch up front. 60% primary, 12% secondary, 520 top end, Hormells cam, dyno tune with a power commander on 93 pump.
What did it make on the dyno?
I think it's 28 to the wheel, but I mean, I think that works out to 35.
That's right.
I know Corey told me he works with Chris, so he said about 35 crank horsepower.
Yeah, I mean,
because between the reduction and I ran it on 35. So.
Yeah, and on 35s. And to consider that a stock 500 only makes like 28, 29.
Yeah.
6-7 horsepower doesn't seem like a lot.
Yeah.
But when you're less than 30 factory, that's a big difference.
Yeah.
Well, I'm excited to see what it can do, and this thing is definitely beast. It's like everything you could ever want to make your Rubicon, short of going to portals. Ultimate, I think, kind of non-portal bike. 34s, 35s is the limit on these things, I think, and even on the 35s you really got to massage a lot to make it work. So let's go see how it does in the clay. Cool, man, looks awesome.
Good stuff.